So of course, you have this AMG air suspension. It feels fantastic. Very good ride quality here. And the massage function is really, really nice. But of course, the overall drivability of this, it drives very nimbly. It's just really, really comfortable. We're gonna go ahead and put it into Sport Plus mode. And it feels like the vehicle, the ride itself gets a little stiffer. We'll give it a little throttle here, not too much. And very swift acceleration without having to put your foot down. It really uses that turbo when it can. Just really clean acceleration. And then we have the adaptive cruise on with the lane centering. And very seamless. Yeah, just a really, really nice cruise control setup here. And something I haven't seen before, this actually tells you what the speed limit is on the ramp, and that is pretty neat. I'm gonna dial it back into eco mode and see how it. Even in eco mode, it dials back the engine power, but the suspension, the steering, all of that's in comfort. And it's just it's crazy how you can have two different cars in a Mercedes, because in Sport Plus mode this thing will go, but in your eco and comfort mode it just rides incredibly, which you wouldn't expect anything less from Mercedes-Benz. And it's just so easy to steer. Just a great driving experience. And one thing I've noticed, the sound acoustics are, of course, really good. And it's what you'd expect from a flagship Mercedes, but even being next to that loud truck I just passed, the sound was not intrusive at all. And it would have been a lot louder than just about anything else. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz S500.